Uses and gratification theory is to explain the uses and function of media to satisfy individuals, groups, and society needs. The first person to introduce uses and gratification is an American Israeli socialist and communication scientist, Eli Hukat, in the 1970s.
According to University of Twente in Netherlands, there are three objectives in developing uses and gratification theory. The first objective is to explain how individuals use mass communication to gratify their needs, basically asking, what do people do with the media? Throughout the years, media has evolved, changing the way we receive news. In today's society, we have multiple outlets to choose where we get our information from.
Objective number 2 is to discover underlying motives for media use. Most people who use mass media want to keep up with the current events and the trends to stay informed with what is going on in our today's society. Objective 3 is to identify the positive and negative of individual media use. Some of the positive uses is we are able to stay informed and people can exchange views and thought with people who share the same interests, and we are able to access to information worldwide.
And on the negative side, we are exposed to just one perspective, our own individual perspective. An example is with the horrific shooting that took place in Florida, President Donald Trump focused on the nation's mental health problem. And to prevent other shootings, he suggested teachers should carry armed weapons. But the younger generation completely disagrees and wants stricter gun laws. When individuals look up the news, they focus all their attention on one story, rather than reading a different side of the story that doesn't agree with their beliefs and views. So, how do you use mass communication to satisfy your needs?